Hi everyone and welcome to this video. My name is Carmen and I'm gonna be talking about the difference between knowing English grammar and knowing how to speak English. I'm gonna try to do my best to not go off topic, but that's gonna be difficult for me because I talk too much. So, luckily for me, I've studied general linguistics and I have some kind of feedback when it comes to this topic. Okay, so first of all, we need to know what the language faculty is. It is basically the ability to talk when we first acquire a language. There is this period of time when we are between 2 or 3 years old in which we go through an unrepeatable state in which we are extremely sensitive to language interaction, and just by being exposed to basically other people talking, we acquire a language effortlessly, and no intelligence is involved in the process. That's why it's called acquisition and not learning. The language faculty consists of knowing vocabulary, a series of combination rules to combine that vocabulary and make sentences, which is also called syntax or grammar. And last but definitely not least, when and how to use those sentences and that vocabulary. And this, from a linguistic point of view, is called semantics. So a native English speaker has acquired that semantic knowledge. But what about someone, for example, like me, who wasn't born in an English-speaking country and who wasn't exposed to English from a young age? So I had to learn it, and in order to learn this adequacy, this semantics, I also had to learn a couple things about the culture surrounding the language. Every culture is unique, and sometimes it's not about being bilingual or being able to speak perfectly, but something as basic as being respectful. Sometimes for being respectful, we really need to know a couple things about different culture. I also wanted to say that especially if you're from Spain like I am, you can tell by my accent, you should also work on your phonetics, because here in Spain we're not exposed to English from a young age. We watch every movie and every TV show in Spanish, and Spanish has a really limited range of sounds, and English is the opposite. So really work on that. And don't forget, adequacy is key. Thanks for watching, thanks for taking me into consideration, and goodbye.